In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product to your Shopify store with our ultimate easy beginner tutorial. If you've just started setting up your Shopify store and you're wondering how to get your products listed online, you're in the right place. We'll walk you through each step with clear instructions so you can have your items up and visible in no time. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account if you haven't already. If this is your first time setting up your shop, make sure you've got everything handy, like your product details, photos, and any other information that will make the process smoother. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of your Shopify dashboard. This is where you manage everything related to your store. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're focusing on just one area right now: adding products. Now, while on the homepage, look towards the left hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. This is your main navigation panel, and it's where you'll find all the crucial elements of your store management. From here, go ahead and click on the option titled Products. Clicking this takes you to a new page that showcases all the products that are currently listed in your store. If you're just opening your store, this section might be blank, but that's about to change. Next up, you'll want to locate the Add Product button. This is usually displayed prominently on your screen. Click this button to begin the process of creating a new product listing. You'll be taken to a new page that's essentially a blank canvas waiting for all the details of the product you wish to add. Now here comes the exciting part: filling in the product details. Start with the product title. Think carefully, as this will be the first piece of information potential customers will read. You want it to be clear and catchy. A good title helps in SEO, which is critical for online stores. Following this, you can add a detailed description of the product. Be sure to mention any unique features or benefits here. Remember, you're trying to persuade a customer that this is the item they want to purchase. Images also play an essential role in grabbing a customer's attention, so make sure to upload high quality photos that showcase your product from different angles. Shopify makes this easy. Just click on the Add Image area, browse your computer or phone for the desired images, and select them. You can upload multiple images to give a well-rounded view. After you've added images, you'll move on to pricing. Enter the amount you want to charge for the product, ensuring it's competitive yet profitable. Below the pricing field, you'll notice there are fields for cost per item and compare at price. Use these if you have additional pricing strategies, that is, if you're offering sales or need to manage profit margins more effectively. Then let's move on to inventory. This section allows you to manage your stock effectively by entering the stock keeping unit, SKU, and barcode if applicable. If your product has a specific weight, you'll also find a field to list this under the shipping category. Such details are vital, particularly if you plan to ship products based on weight. Further down, you'll find more options like variants, which are particularly useful if your product comes in different sizes or colors. Adding variants makes it easier for customers to select exactly what they need without searching for separate listings. Additionally, you'll notice sections for search engine listing preview. Customize this to make sure your product stands out in search engines. It's often the first impression customers will get of your product as they search online. Once you've ensured all the necessary information fields are filled out and you're satisfied with everything, take a deep breath and click Save. Shopify will now publish your product online, making it available for customers to view and purchase. However, before leaving, it could be beneficial to double check all of the details you've input. An error at this point could lead to customer confusion or dissatisfaction later on. And there you have it. You've just added a product to your Shopify store. That wasn't too hard, was it? With practice, adding new products can become a straightforward and even enjoyable task. As you grow more accustomed to the platform, feel free to explore the other features Shopify offers to enhance and optimize your entire store. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope it's been helpful and sets you up on the path to success with your Shopify store. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content, helping you build your online business. See you next time.